lot of small things done well, stacked on top of each other. Small things that makes greatness. But the question still remains, how much time will you really waste? If I looked at my clock, if you looked at your phone, time never stops for no one. So one thing God don't give us. It's your time. It's your time. And when you wake up in the mornings, don't let your alarm clock be the only thing that wakes you up. Find a way to do it yourself. Don't ever let a day go by that you waste, because that's a day you can never get back. Every single day you got to master your craft. That's what it's about. I've never been the biggest, the fastest, the strongest, and nothing. Nothing. You gotta make up your mind to do anything you want to do. And don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. You can look at my story.
I'm Coach Jay, owner and head trainer of Jay's Journey Fitness. I'm a certified personal trainer through the National Academy of Sports Medicine with a specialty in weight loss. I've studied the neuroscience of aerobic exercise, which focuses on how aerobic exercise benefits cognitive ability and emotional well-being. My goal as a personal trainer is to encourage exercise in African American communities. I offer one-on-one personal training, in-home personal training, group workout sessions, and virtual workout sessions. You can find tons of free health and fitness related information on my YouTube channel, which is Jay's Journey, as well as my Facebook and my Instagram account, and that is Jay's Journey Fitness. Remember, the only impossible journey is the one you never begin.